So I guess this is the main question of this whole discussion.
In the vast market of business solutions, who would you say is the ideal user base?
This application helps organization to win deals faster. Application we can access maximum capabilities of Salesforce CRM.
All of these benefits, is Salesforce Starter an expensive application?
This is an all-in-one suite.
Hi guys, welcome to the Salesforce Applications Educator Series, an initiative by Cloud Science Labs meant to educate businesses, individuals, and entrepreneurs about the applications of Salesforce in their businesses and how it can help them boost their revenue and streamline business operations.
Today, we have with us a Salesforce expert, Mr. Abhinav Yadwanshi from Cloud Science Labs in discussion. Abhinav boasts of an extensive experience in Salesforce customizations and implementations.
Thanks for having me here, and I look forward to our discussion.
Today, we're going to dive deep into Salesforce Starter, an out-of-the-box CRM application released by Salesforce. In today's complicated business climate, it is very difficult to win a client, and it is even more difficult to retain them by giving them quality service. In such a scenario, Salesforce has released Salesforce Starter. So, Abhinav, could you shed some light on what it is?
As you have already mentioned that Salesforce has launched a new application which is Salesforce Starter. So this application unifies sales, service and marketing into a single application, which makes it an all-in-one suite. And with such an all-in-one suite application, we can access maximum capabilities of Salesforce CRM.
Right. And since Salesforce Starter is made with the concept of unifying three key business operations, sales, service, and marketing, what would be the benefits that a user would derive out of such a
User can get multiple benefits out of this application. So as I have already mentioned that this is an all-in-one suite. So this application helps organization to win deals faster, speeds up the customer relationship processes, and at the same time, the entire team or a particular team of an organization can work on same data simultaneously. So yeah, these are some of the benefits, not all the benefits, but these are some of the benefits of this Salesforce Starter.
Keeping in mind the benefits that we just discussed in the previous question, in the vast market of business solutions, who would you say is the ideal user base for Salesforce Starter?
So being a general use CRM application, this Salesforce Starter is not limited to any user or industry, specific industry. So, and with its simplified user interface and out of the box features, this is ideal for SMEs and the teams who are looking to, to increase their productivity and to smoothen their business operations and to drive revenue.
So now that we know that Salesforce Starter is not specific to any user group, and as we dive deeper into its intricacies, I believe we can assume that it has been meticulously crafted to address a very specific set of challenges faced by businesses. That being said, could you expand a bit more on the challenges it keenly identifies and adeptly addresses?
There are multiple challenges that are faced by an organization. So I'll try to explain what solution Salesforce has provided against those challenges. Complex onboarding is a very common challenge that is faced by an organization. So Salesforce had made this onboarding process very fast and easy. Another challenge is that this kind of applications have complex user interfaces. So what they did is they made a very simplistic use and very user-friendly interface so that there must be a very smooth user experience. Organizations may struggle with fragmented tools for sales, service, and marketing.
That's true.
So they have provided an all-in-one solution for this particular challenge. Another challenge is the data visualization.
That's true.
So they have a feature that is dashboard and reporting. They have provided that feature so that organization can visualize the data. So nowadays, such tools are not scalable.
Absolutely.
So what Salesforce did is, Salesforce made this application in such a way that it can grow according to the requirement of an organization or of a user.
Fantastic.
Getting support these days is very big challenge.
Very difficult.
So what Salesforce did is they have provided a 24/7 support to all the users globally.
Wow. So it seems that Salesforce Starter has addressed all the major challenges that are faced by organizations. As we delve into the intricacies of Salesforce Starter, let's dissect the core functionalities or features that set the stage for a seamless CRM experience.
So Salesforce Starter has brought together all the key functionalities of its product, that is sales, service, and marketing, into one application. So under sales, we have the leads and opportunities features that help the business mark potential customers and track their journey through the sales cycle.
Okay.
And it also helps to track qualified deals so that they can be closed quickly.
It's amazing.
And service includes cases and knowledge base features which enables the organizations to create cases for customer inquiries while maintaining a detailed record of problems solved. Teams can create a knowledge base which will help them get solutions and troubleshooting techniques quickly.
It's amazing.
So marketing includes email campaigns and automations to dispatch marketing or info emails as per current status, as well as performance metrics for each kind of email sent.
So, as we wrap up our exploration of Salesforce Starter, the burning question arises. With all of these benefits, is Salesforce Starter an expensive application? Do organizations need to invest heavily to start using?
So I guess this is the main question of this whole discussion. So Pratyush, you won't believe the license of this particular application costs around $25 per user per month.
That's 2,000 rupees.
Yes, absolutely.
Wow. So this must put it as the most cost-effective solution with so many benefits in the market. That's amazing. So Abhinav, I believe that we have had a very informative discussion about Salesforce Starter. And I also think that it's safe to say that Salesforce Starter is going to be a game changer in the world of CRM.
Absolutely.
And I'd also like to thank you, Abhinav, for taking out the time and giving us these useful insights into this application.
Thank you, Pratyush, and thank you, everyone.
And as for our viewers, the journey does not end here. Please stay tuned for the next session in which we have a demo of the entire application and see how it's actually used. Stay tuned.